At Hydro One, we're committed to providing our customers with world-class service and support, 365 days a year. A big part of this is minimizing any interruptions to service that might result from severe weather. Our process starts with preparation, monitoring approaching storms in our control center to anticipate trouble before it starts. When storm damage does impact the grid, we move into assessment, determining how we can deploy our team most effectively to get customers back online. During repairs, we'll do our best to isolate the problem area so as few customers as possible are impacted. And we'll work to bring priority services online first. Then, we're ready to restore power. It takes a lot of careful coordination to get power up and running safely, so this can take some time. Sometimes, we need to make safe but temporary repairs to get the lights back on quickly. We'll come back after the storm to make the changes permanent. If you have any questions, or you want to learn more about our storm damage management protocols and check real-time service updates, visit hydro1.com.